I got to work in some fantastic facilities. You know, GTA is spoiling students on a daily basis in a way that I don't think you realize when you're a student there. Just the facilities you get to work in are mind-boggling, and the production value is as well. In this market, you have to go out of your way to find a professional company that is actually on a competitive level with this college program.
At the end of the day, it's home. I think the first time I went out and did an audition that wasn't here, I was like, that was so weird, because it just starts feeling like home. When you walk in and you see your professors and you're excited to do your audition packages from them and know that you can meet with them later and get notes back and stuff like that, so you're continuously getting better. It's just, this is just home, and it's very special place.
When GTA invests in a student, they invest in them wholeheartedly.
They have given me an opportunity to grow immensely as a performer and as a person. And through my time being here, I feel like I've influenced a lot of people positively. And so not only have they contributed to my growth and my progression as a person, they've helped me touch other people.
The guest artist program we have here allows the students, and myself included at the time, so much exposure to the professional world, and meeting professional directors and designers and actors, so that by the time I had graduated and being a part of these various productions, I already had these professional contacts that were interested in working with me once I left the program and graduated. I feel so blessed and privileged to be in a community like Gainesville that supports our program in the arts to a level that is unmatched in many other markets and communities.
On the surface, right, supporting a theater education is supporting someone's endeavor to be either an actor, a technician, a manager, a designer, an artisan of some kind. What people lose sight of too often is the intrinsic, holistic nature of a theater education. You cannot do theater without picking up so many other things along the way. You are going to be able to critically analyze a piece of writing on par or better than, an English major. If you're designing or you're studying towards being some kind of carpenter or technical director or electrician, now you're dealing with engineering. You're dealing with physics and mathematics on a daily basis. If you're a lighting designer or a scenic artist, you're getting into color theory. And then if you stick with lighting, now you're quite literally talking about particle physics. It is a field that inhales every other, and it funnels them into one cohesive endeavor.
Studying theater is the most practical thing I feel like anyone could study. It teaches you about life. It teaches you about history. Theater has been since the beginning of time, essentially. Back then, it was religion, and then it just formed over time, and it's become what it is today, but it's always been here. Theater is something that's timeless.
It's been a real pleasure being there on those turning points for so many of our students, and realizing the opportunities that they have in this program, and getting to be a part of that culture. It's just invigorating.